Hey, I'm Nick. Today we're making cold brew. Sorry, I can't pour and talk at the same time. Are you tired of waiting in line at Moon Goat Coffee? Do you just want to wake up and just pour yourself a nice glass of caffeinated beverage and perk yourself up? Well, cold brew's the thing for you. So you need a few things first. You need a vessel, a filter bag, coffee to put into your filter bag, and some nice filtered water. Oh, and a scale. So you can measure out how much coffee and water you need. So first things we're gonna do is we're gonna grind our coffee. Right now I have 120 grams of coffee, and then get that going. So the coffee I'm using today is a natural Nicaragua that we have. This is what we're currently using at the bar at Moon Goat Coffee. And I ground it to a size where it's about the size of kosher salt, so a little bit coarser than a normal drip coffee. So next, we're gonna put this into our filter bag. Filter bags provided by Alto Cold Brew filters. Not an ad, but kind of an ad. And then what's nice about these is a little drawstring, so you just pull it nice and tight, and then probably just give it a knot at the top just to make sure nothing escapes. And then we're gonna place that inside our vessel. And then for cold brew, I like to do a 1-to-10 ratio, so I use 120 grams, so I'm gonna use 1,200 milliliters of water. So I'm just gonna pour that right in. Lid on the top, and then you're gonna let this steep for about 12 to 18 hours, and then you should be having a nice cup of cold brew. Leave it in the fridge, and it should last you about a week. I like to do 18 hours just to get it as strong as possible, and then if it's too strong for your liking, you can obviously water it down, add some milk, or if you like it strong, just drink it straight. Yeah, cold brew super easy. Those are all the steps, and enjoy the cold brew, guys.